here it is, 1 hour into baking soda water. So you need to wash off it very good, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful pineapple skin tea. Stay tuned. Cloves into it, just like this, okay? A few cloves, just cinnamon stick, just break it up and put it into it like this, all right? Piece of a ginger, which we're gonna grate inside of it. I'm already grated. So we're gonna put some turmeric into the water, like that, beautiful. We're gonna put some pineapple inside of it, and we're gonna turn off the cooker. All right, that's only 3 pieces I use. Now the rest, I'm going to put it in my freezer. This looks amazing and delicious, all right? So pour it out like this.